Sometimes unity is mistaken for similarity, but we know better. We understand that we are all part of the body of Christ, and each one of us is unique and important. In the School of Accountancy, we get to work with some of BYU's best and brightest students as they begin the junior core. These capable individuals often feel inadequate or even overwhelmed by the rigorous coursework. But one of the greatest aspects of the School of Accountancy is its focus on fostering connections and building unity in a difficult school year. Our students are not left to fend for themselves academically. Each student is placed in a group of 4 to 5 of their classmates, and these groups spend hours upon hours together throughout the year working on homework, group projects, as well as some team building and bonding time. Each of our students is uniquely qualified with individual gifts that are important for their success in the major as well as the success of their group and their class as a whole. The mark of a truly great team is its synergy, the way the individuals work together and push each other and build on one another's efforts to ultimately carry each member of the team far beyond what they could do individually. It's amazing to watch these capable students work together to accomplish far more in the course of one school year than they would ever be able to do alone.